Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie here. Hope you're all okay and all good. And yeah, welcome back to my channel. I have a Glossybox unboxing video for you guys here today. But before we get right into the video, please do make sure to subscribe if you've not done so yet already. And do turn on post notification bell so you'll be one of the first to know when I upload a video. Yeah. Anyway guys, welcome back. So yeah, we've got June Glossybox unboxing here, so let's just see what treat I've got for myself. So this month's theme is Dreaming of Paradise. So yeah, we've got Dreaming of Paradise. So just gonna go in. So we have, first off is this Deluxe Mini by Lizzie, and it is a dry shampoo and it's in blush flirty floral. And yeah, this refreshes hair without drying out. So yeah, this is a dry shampoo. That's pretty cool. Like I said, this is a Deluxe Mini, and the Deluxe Mini, which is 50 ml, is worth £1.60, and the full size, which is 200 ml, is £2.99. So yeah, so I can't wait to try that out. Just gonna spray a little bit to just get a sense of the smell. Ooh, smells nice. It smells nice, so can't wait to try that out. Next we have a product by Mitchell and Peach, and this is body oil, and this is the full size. This is actually a full size, and it retails for £23, and it contains almond oil and vitamin E, and it leaves the skin feeling soft and scented and everything. And so yeah, that sounds really nice and can't wait to try that out. Next we have this. This is also a Deluxe Mini. It's a cream, and it's basically smooths, hydrates and repairs dry skin. And yeah, the Deluxe Mini is 30 gram. I believe that's what it says in here. Yeah, 30 gram, and it's worth £2.99. And the full size, which is 50 ml, it retails for £4.99. We have Nip and Fab right here, and this is full size. Is a vitamin C scrub fix, and this retails for £12.95. And yeah, it's a scrub that is infused with vitamin C, coffee seed extract and coconut oil to effectively cleanse, nourish and renew your skin. And it says that the key ingredients also aid in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and softens your complexions. So can't wait to try that out. Pretty cool. I actually have a vitamin C face mask, I believe, so that's gonna work really well with this. But yeah, that's that. And lastly, we have this little number here. This is also full size, and is by the Beauty Group, and it's Ooh Cherry Lip Oil. Get it out of the package to show you guys. So yeah, it's a lip oil, as you guys can see. It says, for gorgeously kissable lips, look no further. This non-sticky, moisture-rich lip treatment will gloriously enhance your poute's natural color whilst making your lips super smooth. Enriched with a lip-loving cherry oil blend, your lips are sure to be kept unbelievable soft and nourished day to night. So yeah, this is full size, and this retails for £13. So yeah, £13. I'm actually gonna test it right now. So let's get it out. Smells amazing. And it does enhance your lip, like your natural lip color. Like, wow. Do you guys see the way it just boom pops in your face? that's actually it. It's really nice, and it's really like it feels good on the skin, not too heavy, feels good on my lips. Ooh, that is pretty good. I like that. I like the smell. It smells really great, guys. Like, I'm not even joking. And yeah, like it says it enhance your pout's natural color, and it does. And like, wow, I'm impressed. Like, look at the difference. And that's everything. Just before we close, I'm going to show you the sneak peek for July. So that's July sneak peek right there. KNDR, and it's their Kind brands, and it's worth £14. So yeah, can't wait to see that. So yeah, that's the sneak peek for next month. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Oh, there's also something else in here, which is just a coffee bag. It says these are coffee bags, try me. So just a little extra in the box to try out. One sec, I'm trying to open it so you guys can see. So yeah, that's what's inside the box as well. So it's just a coffee bag, just to try them out. You've got rich Italian coffee bag, and then you've got hot lava Java coffee bag. So yeah, and you've got a coupon inside that gives you 50p off any of the coffee bags. So yeah, I'll try that out sometime. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed my little Glossybox unboxing. Do make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, and also subscribe if you've not done so already, and turn on post notification bell. And yeah, I should see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.